We're going to look at a question of finding area when we have more than one shape. They usually call this a composition of polygons. Now, the question says there's a rectangle and a semicircle. They want us to find the area of the whole figure. And they give us a couple measurements. They give us 5, 6. So first thing we need to do is the formulas for area. Now for a rectangle, start with that. It's the length times the width. And for a circle, that area is pi r squared. Now the problem is, that's for a whole circle. We only got a semicircle. So if we're going to take a semicircle, we're going to have to divide this answer by 2. So let's start with the rectangle, because that'll be a little easier. For the rectangle, we got 5 times 6. So we got 5 and 6. So that's going to be 30 squared centimeters. Now we have to do the semicircle. Now in the semicircle, the area has radius in it. Problem is 6, which is this whole line, 6 would be a diameter. So to find a radius is going to be half of that, and the radius is going to be 3. So another reason why a lot of people got this question wrong is they use 6, and we can't use 6 for it. So for that formula, we have pi times 3 squared, and then we're going to divide that quantity by 2. So we'll do that part in the calculator. I'll pull out my calculator, clear my screen out. So we got pi. Now pi is over here, above that caret symbol. Then we have 3 squared. Put the 3 in parentheses to denote multiplication. Squared. Hit my enter key. Then I got to divide this whole thing in half by 2. And I get 14.13. So I'm going to bring the 14.13 with me for this part. Actually, I'll make it a 1,4 because there was a 7 past that. Because if I got 14.137, this is going to cause this 3 to bump up to a 4. So that means we have 30 for the rectangle and 14.14 for the circle. If we add those together, we're going to get 44.14, but nearest tenth is going to mean that our answer is going to turn out to be 2. So when we have a problem like this where we have more than one shape, it's important to remember those formulas because these aren't given to us in the reference table. So make sure that when you do a problem like this, that you refresh, look back, and remember those formulas for area.